Huh. What do we have here? Kong dog. What's it look like? Look at that. It's a crunchy dog on a stick. Hey y'all, welcome back to another fun-filled, exciting episode of Taste Testing on Griddle Porn. Today we are at Kong Dog in, where am I? Rolling Meadows, Illinois. I got me the Kong Dog. Comes in its own little, nice little tray. Probably would have been enough for me. They have their combos. Comes with a drink. I got mango lemonade. It's actually pretty good. Sweet and very tart. And it comes with fries. I thought, little small fries like McDonald's. No, they give you a boat. Look at those fries. They look perfectly crispy. They are perfectly crispy. Freshly sprinkled with salt. But I'm going to be feeding a lot of pigeons with leftovers. So, the Kong Dog, the famous Kong Dog, comes with a, let's see, the coating is baking powder, salt, white sugar, wheat powder, glucose. I guess that's all. They have different flavors. They have like Doritos something flavor. They have churros. They have potato and sweet potato, and I can't remember what else, but I gotta start with the original. With the sausage dog, you can get, instead of sausage, you can get cheese, or half sausage, half cheese, chicken sausage, fake sausage, all kinds of things. Look, it's bigger than my head almost. Anyway, let's give it a try. I've been wanting to try these for a while. As you can see, my first bite was just through the coating. It tastes like a fried something. Let's see how well they go together. It's a good combination. Not bad at all. Coating by itself is nothing to write home about, but it goes really well with the sausage. So if you like corn dogs, this is a fancy corn dog. And the price for just the dog is like $4.99, or I think $5.99 for the fancy ones, which isn't bad. They also have chicken wings, chicken strips, dumplings, which kind of sound good, boba teas, all kinds of fancy drinks, and yeah, it's worth trying. I don't know that it's anything really greater than a regular churro, to be honest, or a regular dog. I'm gonna try a little mustard on it, see how it does, and that's it. It's okay. No complaints. You can see I'm not real excited. It's not great, but it's good, and it's nice to have something different. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.